In this tutorial we will have moving targets and the user will throw balls at them. The targets will move in different speeds. We created a simple animation for each moving target. And turned those animations into sequences. Open the training builder and add a new dynamic diagram. We want the sequences to start playing when the scene starts, so we'll add a scene start event and a play animation sequence response for each target. Add each sequence to each node. Right-click and search for the Set Sequence Swinging response. And add it to each animation. What this does is play the animation normally. Then when it ends it plays it in reverse, and it keeps looping like a swing. Remember to set the swinging to true. We made a simple animation resembling a button press and turned it into a sequence. We will use this button to speed up the target's sequence speed. Add a node triggered event and attach the button to it. Now add a play animation sequence response and attach the button sequence. Now we will add a set sequence play rate. This node allows you to change the speed based on the number you type in. For example, if you type in 2, the sequence will play double the speed. We will speed up the animations for target 2 and target 3. Now if the ball hits one of the targets, we want the animation for that target to pause. To do that, we added an attribute on all the balls and called it ball. We also added physics to the balls and made them grabbable. In the dynamic builder, add a scene node query source and type in the attribute ball. This node will recognize all of the 5 balls in the scene as one because they share the same attribute and its value. Add a node entered node and assign target 1 to it. Next, add a pause animation sequence response and attach the sequence for the target you hit. Do the same for the rest of the targets, and you should have something like this.